Struggling with writing Jira queries? ChatGPT can make it simple. In this video, I'll show you 3 amazing ways ChatGPT can help you write powerful JQL queries in seconds. Let's get started. The first thing you can do is to generate complex queries easily. For example, if you need to find all issues assigned to you that are in progress and due this week, just ask ChatGPT, write a JQL query to find all issues assigned to me in the in progress status. Here you go. Your JQL is ready. Let's try it out. We'll copy this query and paste into the Jira filter box. Impressive. Our filter is applied, and we can see the in-progress tasks. Let's ask AI something complex. Write a JQL query to find all bugs created in the last month that are unresolved and have a priority of critical or high. Amazing! No need to memorize JQL syntax. ChatGPT handles it for you. The next thing ChatGPT can do for you is to simplify query customization. If you want to tweak your existing query, provide it to ChatGPT with instructions. For example, change this query to find all issues that have a due date on or before the end of the month. And paste your existing query. Okay, let's now try this query on Jira. Here you go. You can see all the issues due by the end of this month. ChatGPT can also help you learn JQL syntax. If you are confused about what a query does or why it's not working, just paste your query into ChatGPT and ask for an explanation or troubleshooting tips. For example, what does this query do? Status equals done and resolved equals start of month. ChatGPT will explain it step by step, helping you understand or fix any mistakes. And there you have it, 3 amazing ways ChatGPT can help you master JQL. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips like this. See you in the next video.